Americans are exposed to high levels of lead because of the millions of lead pipes buried under our homes, businesses, and schools. As economically alluring as it might be to pursue solutions like filters or use cheaper materials, it is a sign of strong leadership to invest in a long-term solution that prioritizes the health and safety of your community. Flint, Michigan made national headlines when its residents were exposed to dangerous levels of lead in their drinking water, caused by lead leaching from aging pipes, joints, and fixtures. Despite receiving offers of free plastic service lines, and after extensive research, Flint invested in its residents and chose copper to replace its water infrastructure. Copper is the only service line material that is 100% impermeable in the underground environment. This characteristic, along with its corrosion resistance, formability, resiliency, and sustainability, is why communities including Flint, Michigan, Newark, New Jersey, and Madison, Wisconsin continue to choose copper. Provide your community with clean, safe drinking water for the next 75 to 100 years. Choose copper.